Welcome to Babel, guys. In this video I'll teach you how you can use Google Sheets in dark mode. Okay, even though I'm using this recording this video in mobile phone, but the process is same. And don't mind if the video is the screen is a bit smaller because I'm recording it on the phone. So first of all, keep in mind that you cannot change it to the dark theme while working in a particular sheet. Okay, you like this, you're working in a sheet, you can't change it. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to click on this button. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Oh yeah, so you have to click on this button so that you can go back to the main screen. Okay, let's click it, and now you are in the main screen. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to click on these three dots. Okay, these ones. Okay, let's click them here. Now you can see here note settings tab. Okay, so we have to click this. Let's click it, and here you can see the themes option. Okay, these themes. Okay, let's click it. Currently the light theme is selected. Once we click it, it will give us an option of dark theme, light theme, and system default. By system default, it means that if your mobile phone is in dark mode, then it automatically will be converted to dark mode. If your mobile phone is in light mode, then it will be converted to light mode. So in this video, for this purpose of this video, we'll check on the dark theme, and here you go, magic. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and do subscribe for more videos on Google Docs and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.